Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we will learn how to create a new folder on your computer. The process is simple and quick. First, right-click on your desktop or anywhere you would like to create a folder. A menu will appear. From the menu, bring the cursor on the New, and from the menu here select Folder at the top of the list. Instantly, a new folder will be created. You are seeing the folder is being created. There is also a shortcut method. Simply press Ctrl Shift N on your keyboard, and a new folder will appear immediately. You are seeing this time folder is being created from typing the shortcut. To rename the folder, right-click on it and select Rename from the menu. Type your desired name and press Enter. Your folder is now ready to use. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more useful tutorials.